Hi, welcome to Mastering Black and White Photography. In this lecture, you'll learn cool aspects of black and white photography. Also, you'll learn tips and tricks to improve your photography skill in black and white photography domain. Learn to see in mono. The key to successful black and white photography is learning to see the world in monochrome. It is important to understand that not all subjects are suitable for black and white. There are certain type of photo that rely on color for impact. Shoot in RAW. A good tip for digital SLR users is to shoot in RAW format, which you should do for the best quality color to black and white conversions. Pay attention to lines, shadows, and shapes. This trick is very helpful to aid photographers in pre-visualizing a black and white image, even though we live in a color world. Find a wide range of grays. Having white and black in the image will help add interest to a picture. But if other areas do not have a wide range of varying tones of gray, the photo will most likely look dull. You can achieve a wider range of grays by using flash to throw highlights and shadows over certain areas of the photo. Use a polarizer while shooting around reflective subjects. When shooting around reflective surfaces such as water or leaves, use a polarizer to cut the reflection of the sunlight. When color is removed from the photo, these specular highlights can be distracting the overall composition. Look for contrast. Contrast adds or increases the interest level of a scene. The best black and white photos usually have some portions of the photo that is near to pure white, or some portions of the photo is near to black. Find texture. Texture is pretty cool option for black and white photography. The worst light for photographing texture is harsh mid-light. Try to avoid this. The flatness of this type of light hides texture. Look for patterns. Patterns are interesting because of their ordered repetition. Color merely distracts us from giving the pattern our attention. By using black and white, images of patterns are far more compelling. Pay attention on hue saturation luminance panel. What makes the hue saturation luminance panel so powerful? It is that it allows you to control different colors independently. Hue saturation luminance panel adjustments will enable you to brighten or emphasize specific saturation and control the hue of certain colors. You should definitely make use of the HSL panel and take your black and white conversion to a whole new level.